Welcome to a brief tutorial over the ABAB reversal design. The purpose of this design is to evaluate the effectiveness of a single intervention on altering a target behavior. This is achieved by sequentially implementing and then withdrawing the intervention to evaluate its effect on the target behavior. The experimenter's behavior change plan outlines criterion for successful intervention. As you may have guessed from the name, the ABAB reversal design has 4 phases. The first phase, Baseline 1, is where a baseline of a target behavior's data is collected before the intervention is implemented. The second phase, Intervention 1, is where the intervention is first implemented. It is kept in place until the criterion for successful target behavior change has been reached or a trend towards this criterion is identified. Baseline 2, the third phase, is a return to the baseline data condition by withdrawing or terminating the intervention. The goal is that once the intervention is removed, the target behavior will return to a level near the mean of baseline 1 data. This shift back to the baseline shows that it was in fact the intervention affecting the target behavior. The final phase, Intervention 2, reintroduces the intervention. The goal of this phase is that when the intervention is implemented a second time, a similar trend towards the desired target behavior criterion is replicated from Intervention 1 phase. The ABAB design must meet 3 components before there can be said to be a functional relationship between the intervention and target behavior. Prediction requires an instructional statement that a particular intervention will alter the target behavior. The verification of prediction component is met when a desired increase or decrease in the target behavior occurs during the intervention phase. Additionally, there must be a return to the approximate baseline data levels during the Baseline 2 phase. The third component is replication of the effects. This is met by reintroducing the intervention during the Intervention 2 phase, which results in a similar trend shift towards the desired performance of a target behavior. This graph shows that a functional relation existed between the intervention and the target behavior. The intervention reduced the occurrences of a target behavior, and when removed, data returned to the original baseline, and then when implemented again, it reduced the behavior a second time. This graph shows that there is not a functional relation between the intervention and the target behavior. While the behavior increased once the intervention was implemented, there was not a return to the baseline once it was removed. This shows that an extraneous variable that was not accounted for was affecting your target behavior rather than your intervention itself. I hope this video helped make the ABAB reversal design clear. Thanks for watching.